when you think anecdotally, would you say that's like roughly about true that most of defects come from human mistakes?
I mean, sometimes when we talk about human factors and humans being the cause of the mistakes, we automatically seem to jump at, we're being, our own worst enemy. We're causing the defects on purpose, but it's kind of we're indirectly causing them through, a lack of training, understanding, or we didn't know this, or we didn't do this properly, or it's not our fault, but it kind of is our fault.
I mean, it almost seems like defect elimination has to go from the shop floor and a breakdown all the way up to the engineer at the design phase, right? It's not just maintenance reliability, it's also the engineer that designed the system. Are you seeing that happen very often?
No, not really, not as much as I'd like to. And even, when I was practicing defect elimination and I was owning the process, you could get good buy-in from the maintenance guys, you'd get okay buy-in from the operations guys, but then when you tried to get other areas of the organization involved, it was kind of, they couldn't quite connect with it yet. So that's always been a challenge. Like I said, everybody needs to be involved in the process, not just the maintenance guys and the operations, procurement, even HR, to make sure that we employ the right people.
It's so fascinating, right? Because when we talk about defect elimination, doing the 5 whys, and all of us understanding that it almost comes back to some sort of human mistake, I can almost understand why people don't want to be part of the process, right? Because it always comes down to maybe I should say it may come down to pointing fingers at, hey, this person made this silly mistake here during the design phase. This person here made a silly mistake during the installation or the procurement phase. I think we all have the best intentions to prevent these from happening again in the future.